Welcome back to my kitchen where I'm sharing another good skin salad that is both healthy and satisfying. It's apple season, and what better way to celebrate than a fresh, crunchy, and flavorful holiday honeycrisp salad? This salad is low carb, gluten free, high fiber, and yes, perfect for your good skin. So let's dive into the steps. First, we'll start by prepping our greens and apples. I'm using crisp salad greens today. Think of iceberg lettuce, mixed greens. Wash your greens thoroughly in the water and then dry them using a salad spinner to shake off the excess water. This is crucial because water on the salad leaves doesn't allow dressing to stick nicely and you will lose out on that flavor. Then you want to cut the greens into manageable bite-sized pieces. This not only makes the salad easier to eat but also ensures that every bite is well balanced with all the flavors we are adding later. Once your greens are cut, set them aside in a large salad bowl. Next, it's time to prep the Honeycrisp apple. These apples are perfect for the salads because these are juicy and sweet with a crisp texture that complements the green. Slice the apples thinly to give your salad a delicate, even bite. Squeeze some lemon juice over the apple slice to prevent them from browning. The acidity of lemon juice acts as a natural preservative and also add a bright flavor to the apples. Let's move on to the salad dressing. We'll keep it light and fresh in a jar. Add olive oil, which is rich in healthy fats and great for your skin. To sweeten it naturally, I am adding unsweetened apple juice and a touch of honey. The apple juice ties the salad flavors together when honey gives a gentle sweetness without being overpowering. So we'll add lemon juice for a tangy cake. Season it with salt and black pepper. Now why I'm using jar for the dressing? It's convenient. You just have to put the lid tightly and shake the jar vigorously. This helps to emulsify the ingredients and combining oil with the liquids to form a smooth and well balanced dressing. Now the dressing is ready. It's time to assemble the salad. In a bowl, make a layer with your salad greens. And then layer in the apple slices, spreading them out for the even distribution of flavor. Drizzle some dressing over the salad. Add in walnuts. I'm using toasted walnuts for that lovely nutty crunch. Finally, sprinkle in some dried cranberries, and for the final touch, crumbled feta cheese. This adds a creamy texture and a light saltiness that balances the sweetness of apples and cranberries. Just before the serving, drizzle some dressing over the salad. Be mindful not to drench it. And there you have it, your holiday honeycrisp salad is ready to serve. This salad is the perfect balance of texture and flavor, all the while being packed with fiber, vitamin, healthy fats. It's light and refreshing and absolutely delicious. And no need to add any more. It is a perfect good skin salad, so you must give it a try.
This is so good. This salad is absolutely delicious. Each bite is bursting with the flavors and textures. Sometimes you don't realize that something this easy to make can taste so amazing. I can already see it becoming a staple for my winter menu.